Good morning. This is Dr. Lowenstein from my backyard, and I thought I would take some time today just to talk a little bit about the non-invasive offerings that we have at Montecito Plastic Surgery. We've been doing things like CoolSculpting for over 10 years now. We were the basically only spot to find CoolSculpting between just north of LA and San Francisco for many, many years. And I noticed early on that was going to be some really outstanding technology, and we have provided thousands of treatments for people on the Central Coast. Now a lot of different people have CoolSculpting, and so people have caught on, and that's great. The more people who are getting treated, the better. We're quite happy to provide that service, but it's just kind of an example of how I try to find leading edge technologies that really work, and I try not to clutter my practice with things that I'm not really happy with. CoolSculpting has helped a lot of people. Similarly, we offer Ultherapy. Ultherapy is a great ultrasound that goes into the deeper tissues of usually the face and neck and causes contraction. It can be used at the deep portion of the skin as well as the deeper structures that I would usually pull on to provide rejuvenation when I do a facelift. But this is without a facelift. It's non-invasive. There's no downtime, and we have offered this similarly for about 10 years. I've had it done. I'm currently 53. My family has big wattles and jowls, and either I don't. I think it's probably a combination of somehow getting just the right combination of genes from my family, as well as the fact that I get Ultherapy, and I get it every 3 years. Ultherapy is really good for younger patients to prevent aging as they go, but it also works for older patients who just want some spot treatments. It's not going to give you a surgical type of improvement, but it gives you a very, very nice improvement, particularly for being non-invasive and having zero downtime. We offer Microneedling. Now, Microneedling is a pen that puts millions of super small holes in your skin and causes contraction. I used to joke around that I thought it was going to replace plastic surgery as a whole, because it just causes things to get tighter, and it's great. It does need to be repeated as kind of a regimen. It's much less expensive than a lot of the other major, certainly surgical and non-invasive things that we do, but that's good to have not only for tightening, but as a maintenance program. The things that I am currently super excited about, one of them is PlasmaPen. Plasma, you may have heard, is a budding field, and there's several. Plasma means a couple of different things, in the sense that plasma can be the liquid portion of your blood. That's not the type of thing that PlasmaPen is. PlasmaPen uses the fourth state of matter, which is ionized gas, and it actually ionizes gas in the air to deliver just the right amount of energy to the skin to cause really spectacular changes. Contraction of crepey skin, particularly in the neck, it works really, really well with. We can get away with doing people's eyelids without surgery now. It's amazing. And there is a little bit of downtime. You have a little bit of crusts of dots where the PlasmaPen is applied, but it's done very comfortably. Those dots usually shed off in a week or so, and it really provides some outstanding results. And we can use that all over the body. We use it for belly buttons, where people have a little too much crepey skin above their belly button. They want that fixed. We can help in the lower eyelid, the upper eyelid, the chin area and neck. It's a really spectacular thing. I'm really excited about. We're seeing outstanding results with. I actually used that same technology, plasma, in something called Renuvion. Renuvion uses plasma underneath the skin. And now this is a surgical procedure, but it also, because plasma is just the right temperature, it's not as super hot as lasers are, so it doesn't burn things. It just provides enough energy to bring the temperature up to the ideal portion that skin contracts. And so I use that when I do liposuction to help contract skin around the new contour. So plasma can be used on top of the skin, or below the skin. Again, a really exciting technology that we're now offering. We have Clear+Brilliant, which is a great laser that, again, doesn't require a lot of downtime. It helps with both fine lines as well as pigmentation, and people call it laser crack because they love it so much they just can't get enough of it. And of course, we have Botox, all kinds of injectables, Sculptra. We offer the whole gamut of injectables by our truly expert injectors. It's just amazing work that they do, and I'm very thankful to have them. So again, just a little overview of some of the non-invasive things that we have of old as well as that are new. Please explore around the website, learn as much as possible. We want educated patients who are understanding what they're getting, why they're getting it, and what to expect from these outstanding technologies. All right. I hope you've enjoyed this. It's a little different type of video that we're doing, but again, it's Dr. Lowenstein. Please call with any questions that you might have about any of these outstanding non-invasive technologies we have. Take care.